Greetings, greetings, greetings. When God send you out, if you go do film work, Him want you fi depend on Him one, and Him a go take care of you. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God, I talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you don't do it yet, where you wait for? Do it now. Just click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on. Right yourself.
A Godward This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Matthew chapter 10 from verse 1 to verse 23. Jesus called up him 12 followers them and give them the right to run out wicked spirits. And him give them the right and power to get people better. We sick in all kind of way and we have all kind of sickness. Now, this our Jesus 12 apostle them name Simon, we then call Peter, and Simon brother we name Andrew, plus James and John, Zebedee two boy them. Then you did have Philip, Bartholomew, Thomas, Matthew the tax collector, James, Alphaeus Pickney, and Thaddeus. The other one them did a Simon, we did a work hard for freeing people them, and Judas Iscariot, the one we did sell out Jesus. And them 12 people at Jesus did send out, and this are when they tell them for do. No go which part the people them we are not Jew there, and no go in at the town them where the Samaritan people them live. Where if you do, I go to the Israel people them, we come in like one set a last sheep. When uno go round to them, uno fi preach the message, heaven soon rule over the world in every way. Get sick people better. Make dead people come back alive. People who have sickness, we make their skin fussy. Make their skin get back clean. And run out demon spirit too. Uno get things and uno ne I forget nothing. Now get and no look forget back nothing. No carry no money we don't know. No gold, silver or copper kind. When uno go on the road, no bring no bag. No extra shorts, slippers or walking stick. Cause the workman them deserve to get the sitting them where they need to live. And when you no go in a one town or district, find out who good enough for to turn with. And turn with them till you no left that town there. When you no go in at the yard, tell everybody howdy and ask God to bless them. If the people them in the yard take on you in and treat you no good, make the peace when you ask God forgive them, turn with them. But if them not take on you in and treat you no good, then ask God to take it back. And if nobody no want take on you in and listen when you say, shake off the dust off on the foot when you know I left the house there or when you know I left that town there. Me not lie. On judgment day, the punishment where Sodom and Gomorrah get, I go easier than that town there. Me a send you out like sheep amongst wolf. So wise up like snake and take it easy like dove. And watch out, cause people are gonna take you and give you over to the leader them for the Jew them church. And them are gonna take whip and beat you at them meeting house. And cause you know a female follower, them are go all on in front of the ruler and the kingdom. That way you know, you can't tell them about me. And you can't tell the people them we are not Jew too. But when them all on pound and carry no go court, nobody fret about when I go say or how you go say it. Cause when that time they come, you will get the right word for say. What you say, now go be fool no own a word, you know. But the Holy Spirit when no Father send, I go put the word them in our mouth. Brother and sister, I go inform upon their own brother and sister them. I make the people them we are rule, kill them. I see him so. One father go hand over him own pitney. Pitney I go turn against them father and mother and make the ruler them kill them. And everybody I go ear to know cause you no follow me. But anybody will hold on tight and turn up strong till the sufferation done. God I go save them people there. When people in a one town make you suffer, run go our next one. Make me tell you this. You now go through all of the tongue them in Israel before the man where God pick come back. And God would this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.